Because if you want to do to practice, that is only 3 kaya.
Seperti kayo wat manangan.
Because when you live on the world, like kaya wak mana, that is the best. You must to do the best when you live.
Kayo perilaku yang suci.
That say like kaya wak mana, that want to be holy behavior, like that.
Kata-kata yang baik.
Holy word, that is mana is good, mean that I think with the 3 kaya waklan mana. That is good, Damien. That is a 3 practices. Like that, when I live, we must to do like that.
Ketiakanya diamalkan.
If impossible, when we are live on the world, you must to do in this life, because this one is very, very good.
Dalam kehidupan ini
Because if you still live on the world, in the country, you must to do the best.
jangan ragu karena itu Tuhan nyatakan.
I will say with friend, with suara Santiambara, you must to do that in your life, because that's the best. Do not hesitate like that, Mr. Dewa.